How to make Adobe Premiere Pro transition effects. So in this video, it's very easy to do, and just adding transitions in Premiere Pro can make your videos very cool. And here's how to do it. So first, you want to import and cut your footage. It's best to add the best Premiere Pro transitions when you finalize your sequence. So first, just launch Premiere Pro. Then you want to locate the video transitions folder. After you've added your videos that you want to add transitions to, just select that video transitions folder where you can open the effects panel, where you can choose the video transitions to see all of the available options. And if you can't find the effects panel, just go to the Windows and Effects option. You can add 3D motions, dissolve, immersive video, iris, page fill, slide, wipe, and zoom. And tip, you'll see an audio transitions folder, which also includes a range of effects that help you blend your audio between clips. So you can also add transitions for your audios. Now you want to test and add transitions to your timeline. So basically just drag the transition you want to use from the panel to your videos. Simply just drag them directly, and optional, you can adjust the transition durations. So depends on your style, you can adjust how long the transition will happen on your videos. Then you want to customize these transitions. You can use keyframes to fine tune these transitions, or you can create single-sided transitions, which is at the end at cut or start at cut. And for tips, you can time transitions carefully, be consistent with which transitions you use, and avoid outdated or cliche transitions. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications